welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper snowflake in a few simple steps. Let's get started. All you need is a piece of paper, scissors, and a pencil. First, start with folding the left corner or the right corner until it touches the edge, and smooth it out using your finger. Then cut on the edge. Then fold it again so that the two sides meet. And fold it. Try for it to line up. You might have to try a few times, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, flip it upside down so that the point is on the bottom. Then on the right, fold it just like this, just like that. Then flip it over and fold it so that the sides meet, just like that. And then we're going to use our scissors and cut it off, just like that. Now, to make the design a snowflake, we're going to, I'll draw on the side a little square shape, and then a little square shape, and then another smaller square shape. And then over here, I'm just gonna do a pattern, just triangles, triangles. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay, now it's time to cut these out, just like this. Now that you've cut it out, we're going to unfold it and see what we made. You can make lots of different designs. This is just the one I chose. So this is what my snowflake turned out. I also made another one before that turned out like this. So you can do lots of different designs. I hope you enjoyed making a paper snowflake with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!